Hey, what's up, y'all? So we in Panama. This is my first time in a Central America country. I just got here today. I'm going to show you guys what you can do, where to eat, the nightlife. All the research is done for you, so you don't even have to do it. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first thing I want to cover with y'all is about the hotels. Where are you going to stay if you come in Panama? And I picked this particular hotel because this is a 4-star hotel and it is the most affordable price. You're not going to find a better price in Panama. But let's go check a look inside. So the hotel comes with 24-hour room service. You got a sushi restaurant connected to it. It got a swimming pool. The only thing it don't have is a gym, but it has everything else you could imagine. Ironing board, room safe and whatnot. It's close enough to all the nightlife and far away from all the noise, so it's a perfect spot. They also got tours and excursions available in the lobby, so you can just check with the clerk for all those information. I felt safe here. I was here for 4 nights. Didn't have any issues during the day or the nighttime. All right, so let's go to the room. Let's check it out, see how big it is. All right, here's the room. So this is what you can expect. You know, this is just a simple layout. You got your couch right there. You got your bed, king size bed. It's a decent layout. It's a decent size too. Panama won in boxing, they won gold, so I was watching the Olympics there. You got your AC, and this is like the overview of the city. And I took it during the daytime. In comparison at night, this is what it looks like at night. Pretty decent. Not too much noise, not too much activity going on. Good place to sleep. Again, this is a 4-star hotel. It cost me about $38 a night, so it got good amenities. I mean, you can't beat this. Oh, I want to show you guys one more thing. This is the safe. If you're going to be traveling to new places, you always want to make sure you have a safe to protect your valuables, especially if you're planning on having company over. There's too many horror stories of people waking up and their things stolen, so don't let that happen to you. No! All right, before we wrap this up, let me show you guys the bathroom so you know what it looks like. You know, standard bathroom. You got your rainfall shower. Not bad. Yeah, it's really clean. This is a very clean hotel. I love it. All right, so let's go get some of that good Panamanian food. El Trapeche. Let's go try it out. I heard it's one of the best places to try around town, so let's go see it. So after a 5-minute walk, we are finally here at El Trapeche. Let's go check out, see what they got. So this Panamanian restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It has seating available in the inside in the cool AC, as well as the outside in the summer breeze. You can pick. All right, so here's the menu. You guys can see the prices and what's available on the menu. You can pause it as well if you need to. They served me up a refreshing coconut while I wait for the food. And here's the good stuff. Panamanian food. Super delicious and tasty. Mwah. Guys, the food is absolutely amazing. El Trapeche, you gotta try when you come to Panama. Alright guys, so I just finished with El Trapeche. Hey, it's great stuff. So, I mean, I love it. I had a blast. Delicious. And it's inexpensive as well. So, I give it about an 8.5. It's good stuff. So, we're gonna wait to the next thing now. Follow me, let's go check it out. This is another popular attraction that you guys can check out. It's called Amador Causeway, and it's the perfect place for a walk. You can enjoy quality time with family and friends, and it has many restaurants with traditional and international food. If you like seafood, this is a great place to come and check out. Also, it's a great place to bring your family, so if you have kids, perfect spot. Trust me, they will enjoy this place. How y'all doing? Hola. As you can see, there are people enjoying themselves riding a bike. So there is a place here called Burke's Bikes. You can rent scooters, bikes, electric bikes, all types of things. So be sure to check them out. This attraction has a lot of history too, including the pirates attacking the city from this viewpoint here. This is the most relaxing place. Other than taking nice walks and strolls and trying out new restaurants, there's plenty to do here, a lot of activities. So later on in the day, I decided to go check out the biggest mall in Central America. It's called Allbrooks Mall. You guys gotta go check this out. I heard about how big this mall is, but it really exceeded my expectations when I was here. I mean, it's just too big. One of the biggest malls I have been to ever. This is definitely one of the best places to people watch. And whatever you need, I can guarantee you they got it. So here's the food court, and in Panama, you're not gonna have any concerns about finding food, that's for sure. I spent about an hour and a half here just walking around observing, getting some food, looking at some clothes. But it's time to go check out the next chill spot. Let's go. And here's my favorite spot of them all. I absolutely enjoyed myself here, met a lot of people, made some friends. It is fantastic at this place. I love it. You can really unwind, catch a lot of activity and a lot of things to do here. You can probably spend your whole entire morning and afternoon at this spot. Another great place to people watch. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm at Avenida Balboa, Panama City, just off the coastline. So this area here is all about just, you know, seeing the scenic views. You see the people enjoying themselves walking around. There's a lot of activity going on. There's vendors on the streets. There's joggers, there's bikers. You have so many things what this place have to offer. This is one of the areas I will consider for you guys to come check out as well. Just look at this view of the river. And you can see the city line of the buildings back there by there. So guys, on this stretch, you can walk all the way over here to Cashapp. That's where I'm heading next. Or you can walk all the way into the hotels, the casinos, everything that I had recommended before, which you can see is on that way. All right, we got more sightseeing to do. Let's go to the next one. All right, so this next spot you guys need to check out is called Cashapp. This is the most popular tourist area in Panama. It's also known as Old Town or Old Quarters, one of the oldest neighborhoods in Panama City. Now, when it comes to the best restaurants, the best hotels, and the best food, and the best nightlife clubs, this place takes the cake. You can easily spend your entire trip just in this location alone. This place got a lot of great picture-worthy views in this area. You'll see a lot of models, photographers, and people filming in this area. I would recommend booking a hotel in this neighborhood, but if you're people like me who like to take a venture and mingle with the locals and things like that, then I would advise taking a hotel inside the city. Most of the time, you're just going to run into a lot of other tourists in this area. Alright guys, there's more places to see, things to do. I will cover that in the next video. For now, this is it. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching the video. Leave me comments, questions below, like the video, share, and most importantly, subscribe. This is Realtravelspeaks. I'll see you guys next time. Embrace your journey. Peace.